You do not want to go to sleep?
No. I am afraid.
Afraid to go to sleep? Why so? It is the boon we all crave.
This is a part of the Dracula novel, and it's where Dracula comes from Romania to Whitby in England. Like, he wants to leave the peasant society behind and discover this new world. And at that time, England, like in London, was the most modern place. So he comes on a ship, and there's a captain's log in the book. And so the captain's log is sort of the centerpiece of this play. And then meanwhile, in Whitby, Lucy, who is young and beautiful and a real catch and has many suitors, she's starting to feel these kind of darker forces pulling her, like she's going out at night and being found in the abbey and having dreams of dark demon strangers or lovers. So that's the part of the book really that we're examining.
There is something in that wind that sounds and looks and tastes and smells like death.
You know, I have to kind of admit, playing Dracula is so far away from my, it's not my normal bag. I'm a dancer and, come from traditional dance. So I've been waking up a few mornings in a slight sense of panic, like, what am I doing? But, the things that we expect of Dracula, the costume, the cloak, the makeup, the teeth, the fangs, the blood, the arch kind of villain, the big gestures. I suppose, certainly in terms of trying to portray Dracula, I've been trying to really avoid any of those kind of archetypal kind of things that we know about him. It's kind of like doing Romeo and Juliet, because we all know what happens at the end, but we need to kind of still try and find, I suppose, another way, or what's our way in, or how can we kind of hold the audience's kind of attention and tension. And, and I think what struck me about the book is that there's so much talk of kind of silence and stillness and the fear that kind of, can provoke. And by kind of doing less and less and less. So in a way, the process has been kind of stripping away a lot of those very typical things that we would expect a Dracula type character to do.